The Biafra Liberation Army unmasked have come and said that they have killed more than 500 Nigerian soldiers over a week now. He go ahead and say that the land is being swallowing the occupiers of Nigerian soldiers in the territory of Biafra. So he said this thing on the video that I'm going to play for you to watch. Watch the video from the beginning to end for you to see everything he said. So I'm going to play the video for you right now to watch, and we'll come after the video and analyze the video as well together. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow this wonderful channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So stay tuned where we'll play the video and watch it together.
For everybody, so that the injury will not be much. So when you hear an order, please simply comply with that. It is for your own good and for your own safety. Some of you did not know that sometime when we fix this sit at home, it is when these idiotic people are planning to launch an attack. And since we doesn't want our lovely people to get wounded or get killed by flying bullet, we will order you to stay indoor. So please, it's not just about your businesses or your money. It is also about your consciousness for freedom. To always also do yourself good to stay indoor. Tomorrow will be Saturday. It's a free day. The Chukwu might provide for you for these 2 days, tomorrow and next tomorrow, that will sustain you to another 1 week. Be part of the history, because we are creating history. Simon Ekpa is a spiritual son of Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Have been prepared, Simon Ekpa, fully for this. And all of us that are fighting this war have been called by Chukwu to restore Biafra. And we must restore Biafra. I thank every one of you this evening. And let me also use this privilege to update you of what conspired between us and the terrorists
Listen.
on Monday. Believe you me, I was even thinking that their death is just 200, but the intel told me that more than 500 dead body and more than 300 plus wounded.
Can you hear
Some
that?
of them
500 dead body.
not even sure of fate of their life. And he was asking me, what do we use to incur so many deaths to inflict so many deaths on Nigeria terrorist soldiers like that? You see? And that is why still now they could not even recover their shock. Still now, they could not even. I told them that they should stop this madness so that they will stop dying. They think we were joking. We are not here to be joking. It is either you do that which is right, or you keep come here to die. The more you come to Biafra land, the more you will die. The more you come here, the more you will die. If you are among the soldier and you are being sent to come to Biafra land, write your will, because you can never make it out alive. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Set the day for Biafra referendum. Let this madness stop. You cannot win this war. Not in your millions life. Not in your million life will you win this war. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You don't know how prepared we are. You do not know how prepared we are. We are fully prepared for you. And the love we have for Biafra can never be negotiated. You cannot negotiate it. Nothing in this world you can give us that will make us to abandon this call for restorations of Biafra. You cannot intimidate us. You cannot make us to abandon this. Backward never, forward ever. So I'm telling you that you cannot win it. The more you come, the more you will fall. Have I not warned you? Look at the numbers of souls you have just wasted. This soul could have been with their family, but you choose to turn them to terrorists to come and intimidate the owners of the land. Now you have wasted them. Tell your children, because they are trying to recruit another fresh people who will come and die. Nigeria did not have army. We outnumber them. They did not have army. Imagine them telling you that youth corps are reserve army, which simply means that they will use money to lure your child who went for youth service to come and fight. And then you lost that child forever. You can't win this war. I want to use this privilege to touch what all the senators and the House of Representatives in the southern Nigeria or southern regions of Nigeria have been saying in their idiotic, lordless chamber. You say that the federal government should come. The problem of Southeast concerns Nigerians. You know the problem, but you are diverting your face and your attention away from it. Your law say that Nnamdi Kanu is not guilty of any charges against him. That as a matter of fact, you should release him. Do you obey that court order? It was your court in your country that said that. You did not obey. You never let him go. You keep him. You are still keeping him today, till now. And the people of the land say, for the fact that you refuse to let him be free, as your own core agree and degree, that they are now set out a very good working day, being Monday, aside for him, so that you also lost. You say no. Now they choose 2 weeks to show love. You are still saying rubbish. What when they will choose 1 month, 2 months to show love? You know what is the problem? You see, some of you are very useless and very stupid. You are leaving the problem, the source of the problem, and then you are looking for solution. But you know what to do. release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let him go. And then fix the day for referendum. Nobody will die. Nobody will die. Hold him. The more you hold him, the more he will drag Nigeria economy to the grave. We will bury Nigeria economy. I swear to the Almighty Chukwuki Kabiyama. You never said anything. The more you owe him, the more Nigeria economy will die gradually until we finally bury it. The more you delay to declare a day for referendum, the more your soldier and everything will die gradually. But your shame and your shock is at the end, Biafra will be restored. So you will now know that you were fighting for nothing. You then will understand that you were wasting your time. By then it will be too late. I did not intend to dwell so long. So go and tell all the governors, all the House of Rep, that the solution of the problem they are looking for is not far from releasing Nnamdi Kanu. That is all. Release him. And then fix the day for referendum. All your problem will be solved. Nobody will die. Nobody will win. But if you did not buy my idea, keep bringing them now. Look at the numbers of souls you are wasted because of your stupidity. Bring more. I've told you that the land of Biafra is sure, very grand. And the land of Biafra will swallow all of you. You think I was joking? We are legion. We are legion. We are millions and millions of people you kill in their cold blood from 1940 to date. And the spirit of Biafran warriors that you massacre or you destroy, you deceive after saying the war is over, no victory, no banquet. You invite them for merriment to continue one Nigeria, not knowing that you are going to give them mass execution. You gather all of them and you kill them. Now we be those people you gather and kill. We are back. And this time around, we go nowhere. This time around, we go nowhere. You see this war? We will kill you. We will destroy this land you call Nigeria. And every living thing will be destroyed. If you like, don't. But at the end, it is you that will die. Because this is our land and we go nowhere. I salute you, my supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I salute you, the spiritual son, Mazi Simon Ekpa. I salute you, my fellow congregants. Good evening to all of you, wonderful people of Biafra. May God guide and protect you all. Your prayer is only what we need every day and night. And for the war and the victory, the gods have already determined that we will win. And that is why they are dying. And victory belongs to us. At the end, Biafra. At the end, Biafra must be restored. from me, from the land of the rising sun, it is good evening. Thank you.
Welcome back, guys. So you hear everything he said. You hear it from the Biafra Liberation Army on Max. So he said more than 500 and 300 injured. That they shock. They didn't even recover the shock till now. But the question I'm asking here, how come we will not be able to hear this from Nigeria government? Are they keeping it secret or what? This is my question. So, however, what do you think about this video you just watched, guys? Your own opinion needed. So, don't forget to follow this page. As we are bringing it as e dey hot, na so we dey bring am dey come. We no dey add pepper, we no dey add maggi. Na so dey talk am, na so we play am.